In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your company ID in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever needed to find your company ID for administrative purposes, or while troubleshooting, you'll understand why this is such a useful skill to have in your back pocket. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to locate your company ID quickly and easily within QuickBooks Online. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you need to do is to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page, where you'll have the opportunity to select QuickBooks Online from the options available. Click on this to proceed. Now that you're on the login page specifically for QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure to type in your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've checked that the details are correct, go ahead and click on the Continue button. You've successfully logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Great job! Now let's navigate over to the settings. To do this, look for the gear-shaped icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is the settings button, which when clicked will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From here, choose Manage Users. After selecting Manage Users, you'll be directed to a new page featuring some additional settings. Among these options, you'll find additional info. Clicking on this will allow you to delve deeper into the user information that's available. Once you're in the additional info section, you'll encounter a variety of informative fields. The specific area we're interested in today, however, is your company ID. This unique identifier is essential when you're dealing with customer support or setting up integrations with other apps. Within this section, you'll be able to spot your company ID easily. Make sure to note it down if you think you'll need it for later reference. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find your company ID in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that can save you time and potential confusion the next time you're asked to provide your company ID. Remember, whenever you're operating within software like this, navigation can seem a bit daunting at first. But just like that, with a few clicks, you've uncovered a key piece of information about your QuickBooks account. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to share it with others who might also benefit. Stay tuned to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for navigating QuickBooks Online and other essential tools you use every day.